The song is about a date that our bassist Gwen went on where the guy showed up wearing red lipstick, and that's why it's called Lipstic Coch. The first line in the song, Faint o'r gloch ti moyn cwrdd, means what time do you want to meet? I feel like Gwen wrote this lyric because she is always 2 hours early to everything, so she was probably hassling the guy. The next lyric is Ma dy hyder yn canu fel cloch, which translates to your confidence rings like a bell. It takes a certain level of confidence for a guy to leave a house wearing red lipstick, so we wanted to congratulate him. The chorus lyrics, Fi'n wisgo lipstick coch, ma'r marciau dros dy foch, means I'm wearing red lipstick, the marks are across your cheek. So as you can imagine, the date went pretty well.